Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about my renovation plan on my small apartment. We have two rooms in our apartment and we just changed the floor, and I want to make more changing, but now we are pleased with the result. In the future we want to buy new furniture for our living room and a new sofa for our kids' bedroom. But for now it's okay. We spent almost 3 weeks to renovate because it was hard doing this by ourselves, without help, without employers, and we are so pleased with the result. And I'm happy like never with the new floor. Pick up the new floor, and in a couple of days we'll arrive to our home, so I'm very happy. So this is the middle part. The concrete is almost dry. I have a few spots of concrete that isn't drier. We have tomorrow to paint the wall in a white color, and hopefully this week we will put the new floor. I'm so excited because we have almost 3 weeks on renovation because the weather wasn't so warm. So in this part the sun isn't come so easily to dry the floor. Like you see, I have some trees. It is very good all summer because I have some cold air in this room, but now I want warm air just to finish the concrete. So I will keep you in touch to the final result. So this is the final result of my new floor in my kids' room. I'm so pleased with how it looks, except this cable, which my husband needs to fix in the other day. But it is very, very nice and airy. And with this new floor, it is more bright and light. It looks very, very nice. We have to buy the new sofa, but we will wait some days or weeks just to see if at our store will bring some new models. So in this space will be our furniture, but I'm not sure yet what furniture we'll buy. So this is the empty space now, but it doesn't bother me. We have now so plenty of space. This is my corner where I edit my videos. Some concrete on the entry way, because we have to finish our balcony. This is the view from this side, but I like it so much how the floor match with our sofa. We have some pillow here, but I put them to just wash it. And here I drink my coffee, have my phone, my laptop, and I like it so much how it turns, and all the long way that we have to just wait the concrete to dry, and other stuff are finally done.